What you are looking at is a shocking automotive revolution. A $4.5 million hyper-luxury beast designed to tear up the asphalt and literally bend physics to its will. Based on these mind-blowing design profiles, American Motors is staging the ultimate comeback, unleashing a game-changer so aggressive it makes modern hypercars look like golf carts. Are we witnessing the birth of the most dominant luxury vehicle ever conceived, or has engineering finally gone completely mad? Let's dive in. Just look at the way the light hits that bodywork. As visualized in these incredible design profiles, the exterior is finished in a mesmerizing liquid bronze paint that flows over the frame like molten metal. Notice how the ultra-clean, aerodynamic roofline sweeps seamlessly back into a muscular rear stance. Up front, it sheds traditional luxury design for pure intimidation, sporting aggressive jet engine-style circular lighting clusters that pierce the darkness. And filling out those massive wheel arches are polished chrome rims that perfectly anchor its retro-futuristic aesthetic. It's clean, it's low, and it looks like it's moving at 200 miles per hour even when it's standing completely still. Step through the doors and the exterior's raw aggression melts into a sanctuary of absolute opulence. The cabin wraps you in flawless cream leather, contrasted by sweeping chrome accents that mimic the organic curves of the dashboard. Every single detail screams bespoke craftsmanship. Look closely at the climate control setup. You get stunning jet turbine-inspired vents that look straight out of a luxury aircraft. But the undisputed crown jewel of this interior is the center console, fully crystal-encrusted, gleaming like high-end jewelry, and housed to the tactical controls of this absolute monster. It isn't just a driver's seat, it's a multi-million-dollar tech throne. But you don't pay millions just for nice leather and paint. You pay for what lives under the hood. The blueprints for this vehicle reveal a power plant that defies modern downsizing trends. We are talking about a monstrous, fully chromed V16 beast dubbed the Rebel GT. On paper, this mechanical marvel boldly claims to generate a staggering, earth-shattering 3,000 horsepower. If these engineering specifications hold true in real-world testing, this will officially become the most powerful production sedan in human history. AMC isn't just targeting a fast 0 to 60 time here. They're aiming for land speed record supremacy, claiming this sedan is aerodynamically stable enough to chase the sound barrier on land. Let that sink in. A comfortable four-door sedan built to outrun a jet fighter. So where does a $4.5 million luxury masterpiece fit into the automotive ecosystem? Priced at an incredibly exclusive $4.5 million, it leaves the realm of everyday transport and enters the stratosphere of rolling art. It directly challenges the ultra-exclusive territory occupied by Bugatti and Koenigsegg, but throws down the gauntlet by offering room for 4 adults. Can an American Classic badge truly command a hypercar price tag? When you deliver a vehicle that fuses jaw-dropping retro-futuristic style with physics-defying engineering supremacy, the answer is a resounding yes. The Rebel GT isn't just a step forward, it is a bold, uncompromising leap into the absolute limit of what a land vehicle can achieve. Make sure to subscribe to Drivium X for more high-octane concept reviews just like this. Hit that like button, turn on notifications, and tell me down in the comments, if you had $4.5 million burning a hole in your pocket, would you buy the Rebel GT or stick to a classic European hypercar? Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one.